Are you looking for the best digital cameras? In this video, we will look at some of the best digital cameras the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Panasonic LUMIX FC 312.1 MP digital camera. This camera records UHD videos, which will suit people who want to make documentaries and vlogs. The camera captures clear images from far and is rugged for durability, which makes it a top Panasonic digital camera. The Panasonic LUMIX FC 312.1 MP digital camera is an excellent choice for people who want to capture high-quality videos and photos. This camera features an SLR-style body, providing intuitive operation. The camera has a MOS sensor that produces colorful, natural photographs. This camera comes with a Leica DC Vario Elmarit lens with up to 24x optical zoom, capturing clear images from far. Built-in Wi-Fi facilitates transferring media files easily. However, the photos produced by this camera are relatively low resolution. A full zoom range f2.8 aperture enables shooting clear images even in low light conditions. This Panasonic LUMIX FC 312.1 MP digital camera has a rugged construction, which stands up to regular use and frequent travel. The camera features a 5-axis hybrid optical image stabilizer to prevent image blur. It records videos in resolutions up to 4K, so it's a good pick for amateur videographers. This camera is splash-proof and dust-proof, making it a good choice for people who work in extreme environments. Number 2. Minolta MN35Z 20 MP digital camera. This camera produces high-resolution images and videos, so it's a good choice for semi-professional users. It has a high-quality wide-angle lens with impressive zooming abilities. The Minolta MN35Z 20 MP digital camera features a brilliant design that will stand out. This camera has image stabilization tech to reduce the likelihood of blurred photos. It has several scene modes, so it can be used in a wide variety of settings. Its wide-angle lens is perfect for portraits and group photos. This camera has a 20-megapixel sensor, capturing very detailed and sharp photographs. However, the battery life of this device is relatively low. This Minolta MN35Z 20 MP digital camera has built-in Wi-Fi and works with the Minolta PowerShot app for transferring photos and videos. A 3.0-inch 460K LCD offers impressively detailed photo previews. Additionally, the camera captures full HD videos and has several rotary dials and dedicated buttons for ease of use. This camera features an autofocus function to aid in taking shots. Featuring up to 35x optical zoom, this device is suitable for recording and shooting objects from afar. Number 3. XTU S3 20 MP digital camera. Advanced features such as image stabilization, 360-degree recording, and a broad framing lens enable using this great vlogging camera for YouTube and documentary making. The water-resistant construction enables filming in water. The XTU S3 20 MP digital camera is an action model marketed to vloggers. Documentary makers will be pleased with this device's 4K videos at 30 frames per second recording qualities. It comes with a 1350 mAh rechargeable lithium-ion battery which records for up to 2 hours on a single charge. This camera has a 160-degree wide-angle lens that offers a wide field of view. It records 360-degree videos, so it's a good choice for professionals. However, the video quality when recording at 1080p is mediocre. This XTU S3 20 MP digital camera has dual screens, with a front-facing screen for selfies and vlogging. The camera has a built-in electronic image stabilizer that helps eliminate camera shake for blur-free photography. It's waterproof up to a depth of 16 feet, supporting recording while swimming, and it also comes with an external housing that makes the device waterproof to a depth of 130 feet. This camera is Wi-Fi enabled and works with the XTU Go app for content sharing. Number 4. Canon PowerShot ELPH 360 20.2 MP digital camera. Equipped with Canon's HS system, this camera offers excellent low-light performance and it will appeal to photographers who work in dark conditions. It produces sharp, detailed photos that will endear it to professional users, just like its cousin the Canon PowerShot G7X. The Canon PowerShot ELPH 360 20.2MP digital camera impresses with its compact construction. The camera has built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, enabling users to share images and videos via a mobile app. Unlike the Canon Ivy Click, it also works with the Camera Connect app for remote shooting. It has a 20.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and a Digic 4 Plus image processor, producing incredibly sharp images. However, the battery life of this model is not suitable for whole-day projects. This Canon PowerShot ELPH 360 20.2MP digital camera also records videos at 1080p. A large 3.0-inch LCD supports hassle-free framing, and it has an optical image stabilizer system that counters camera shake. With a powerful lens that zooms up to 12x, this device captures photos from a distance. This digital camera uses Canon's HS system, enhancing photos taken in low-light conditions. It comes with a rechargeable lithium-ion battery for hassle-free operation on the go. Number 5. Vjianger YL0448MP digital camera. The camera captures super detailed photographs that are suitable for framing. The two included lenses support using this device as a webcam for live streaming. Videographers will be pleased with the Vjianger YL0448MP digital camera. This device captures 4K UHD videos at 30 frames per second. It has a 48 megapixel photo sensor, capturing incredibly sharp and vibrant photos. Equipped with wide-angle and macro lenses, this camera captures both up-close portraits and wide-group photos perfectly. It can be used as a webcam by connecting via a USB interface. However, although this device has a digital zoom function of up to 16x, the resulting images appear dark and pixelated. This Vjianger YL0448MP digital camera features a 3.5mm connector for attaching external mics for professional video recording. Built-in Wi-Fi allows transferring photo and video files easily to other devices. It has a compact build, making it a fine digital camera for travel that will appeal to people who travel regularly. A rotating 180-degree LCD display on this model enables framing and monitoring settings easily. This camera has a retro design that brings classic vibes to the home. It comes with a 32GB TF card for storage.